What's going on, folks? I'm about to show you how you would change out your headlight as well as your light bulb in a Chevy Impala. This should be the same process from the 2000 until the 2005. Alright, the first thing you want to do is remove like this little rivet thing right here. And all you got to do is take a flathead screwdriver underneath that little edge and kind of pop it out like that. And once you do that, you should be able to pull this completely out. Set this somewhere to the side, and then you lift up on this piece, and what you'll see is this little white tab right here. These are pretty simple to take out. All you have to do is just pull up on it. You basically just pull up like that, and once you pull up, it slides out. Basically, this piece right here is a piece down here it goes over top of. And then you see this little piece right here, so where that hole is in, you just pull it up. And once you get this one out, you go over here to this one over here. You have another one on this side. Same process. Pull it up like that, and it slides off. And once you have those two things done, now you can completely slide your light out in case you want to change out this whole headlight. I see it's kind of cloudy on this one. You could take this whole thing out. Then to change out your light bulbs, basically all you have to do then is just pull open these holes right here, and as you can see inside of there is your light. It'll be your turn signals as well as your headlights. You see, like a be like this. And to take these out, all you gotta do is just turn them to the side. To take those out, all you want to do is turn them like that. That's when actually is turning up. Turn up and pull it out like that. Then you can replace your actual light bulb itself. You get the new one, just take it, stick it in like that, turn it down, and cover it back up with your basically your dust cover. And if you replaced your whole assembly, your whole headlight assembly, you just take the new one. If you can look right here, you'll see there's like these holes right here that basically these pieces on your actual light. If you look at the light right here, you'll see there's different things, 1, 2, and these kind of go right inside of those holes I just showed you. So with the new one, you just take it, kind of push it in on this side like that, line it up, and then slide it in. And once you got it in like that, you're pretty much done. And then what you do is you take these pieces like this, and at first you'll see that opening, kind of take it over top like that first one, and then just push it down like that, and that one's done. And then come over to your other side, take the same process, lift this piece back up over top of that and push it down, and your light's back in nice and secure. Next, just take your little ribbon that you took out. There's a little hole. You'll see the little hole right over here. Make sure this piece is pulled out like that. That is actually out, not in, but out. Then stick it inside of that hole. And once you got it in, and now just push that piece back in. Alright folks, once again, this is how you would change out your headlight on a Chevy Impala. It should be the same process for the 2000 all the way up to the 2005. Thanks. Please check out our other great videos and subscribe and share. Thanks.